Good afternoon, guys. We're here with our first instructional video. It's a review of subjects and predicates. I'm going to try to put a couple of these up each month that relate to the topics that we're covering, whether it's grammar or whether it's part of our literary analysis. So let's get with it. We're going to focus on subjects and predicates here. And all sentences must contain a subject and a predicate. They also have to have a complete thought. So the subject basically is telling who or what the sentence is about. This is going to be a noun or a pronoun. And the predicate tells about the subject. What is it doing? And this is going to be a verb. So if we color code this quickly and we put subjects in yellow and we put the predicates in green, we'll take a look at these two sentences down here and try to dissect them. The first one, the Baltimore Orioles play baseball at Camden Yards. Well, who or what is this sentence about? It's about the Baltimore Orioles. And what is it telling? It's telling that they play baseball at Camden Yards. Now the next one, Manny Machado is the third baseman. Who or what is this about? Well, it's about Manny Machado, an amazing third baseman that gets injured a lot. And what is it telling about him? He is the third baseman. So if you notice, if we kind of draw a divider line between the subject and the predicate, the verb is part of the predicate. This is the verb play, and the verb is. It's a part of the predicate. All right? So this makes sense, right? No problems. Done right here. Well, for those that need a little bit more, let's try to break it down a little further. First, number one, try to figure out, is the sentence in past, present, or future tense? Because once you find that out, think about what word communicates that. So what word communicates the past or the present or the future tense? That's going to be the verb and the beginning of the predicate. A little bit better? Done? Well, let's try one for practice, okay? I want you to draw a vertical line that divides the subject and the predicate. Too tough yet? Okay, well let's just start with what is the verb tense. The windows on the car are very clean. Is this past, present, or future tense? Okay, I hope that you said that it is present tense. And what word communicates that? Hopefully are. Okay, now that's where the predicate will begin. It's the main verb. So you could draw a vertical line here that separates the subject from the predicate. So we would have the subject, the windows on the car, and the predicate are very clean. Identifying the verb is very important with this. So subject and predicate can be divided into two parts. You have the simple subject or the simple predicate and the complete subject or the complete predicate. So it's kind of like this. The subject. The complete subject is the entire subject, every word in the subject. The simple subject is only the noun or the pronoun. So this is where understanding the parts of speech, Ivan Cap, is important. Now the predicate, you have a complete predicate, which are all of the words in the predicate, and the simple predicate, which is only the main verb. So if we go back to our window example, the windows on the car, that's the complete subject. But the windows is the simple subject. That's the noun. Are very clean is the complete predicate. It's every word in the predicate. Are is the simple predicate or the verb, V for verb. Okay? Hopefully this is a little bit more clear. But let's take a look at a couple at an example. Sorry. Draw a line between the subject and the predicate. Well, let's do that first, okay? So we'll go over here, we'll switch a color, we'll use purple. The teachers at Westland travel during the summer and winter, okay? Now, think about, is this past, present, or future tense? Hopefully you discovered that it's present tense because of the word travel. That's the verb. And you can draw a vertical line right here that divides them. So everything here is the complete subject. And everything, we'll switch colors here to magical green. Everything on this side is the complete predicate. All right? Well, what about the simple? Underline the simple subject once and the simple predicate twice. So is this sentence about teachers or Westland? They're both nouns. Teachers. This is the noun. This is the simple subject. And what are they doing? They are traveling. So we'll double underline this in black. The lines are really crooked because I'm using a mouse. So we have the complete subject, the teachers at Westland, and the simple subject, teachers. We have the complete predicate, travel during the summer and winter, and the simple predicate, the verb travel. Let's try these. You can hit pause right here. You can try these on your own. There's 7 of them. We're also going to be looking at these during class. So for those of you that stopped by to check out the first class video, I want to say thank you. We had some very special guests today in the classroom that you couldn't see, but Miss Serena was sitting in the back hanging out and enjoying the lesson. President Obama stopped by for a little bit. He just wanted to see the magic that was happening in class. Actually, Paul McCartney stopped by and played a song for us. I'm sorry that I couldn't record that, but have an awesome weekend. Have an awesome afternoon, wherever it is, wherever you are. Take care. Bye.